She pushed the old lady out the way. Maybe we should have pushed her out the way. Then we could have had my rack. Hey YouTube, I'm back with another video, and today I am gonna be doing hold on, let me think.
Cause she never been in Houston, and if
Boy, you know you wanna ride in my 95. Boy, you know you wanna light the spliff and get high tonight. I know just what you like, I got just what you need. You like them Houston girls, you like them Houston girls. Boy, you know you wanna ride in my 95. Boy, you know you.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Glamourgirlslay, and I'm back with the slay. Nah, I'm just, let me stop. Hold on, let me get my together. It's your girl Glamourgirlslay, and I'm back today with another video. So today I'm gonna be doing a install put together, and it's gonna be on the garment Mainstays rack. So I brought this from my local Walmart store, and guess how much it was? Guess. I'm gonna let y'all guess. Come on. All right. No, it was 20. It wasn't 50. It wasn't 100. It was only $20. So I wanted this rack because first off, let me tell y'all, oh my gosh, like I just took a loss because I went to Goodwill and I found the rack, right? But this wasn't just a rack, it was like a portable rack, and it had the zip up one. So
I'm just gonna put a picture and show y'all how that one looked.
So I got home, it was only $8, y'all. $8 freaking dollars. And
Girl didn't have $8.
I didn't have the $8 on me. So I went home and I'm like, babe, can you go up there, cause it's this rack or whatever, and get it for me, because I know you right there by the house, you got the $8 or whatever. So he go up there, y'all, he goes up there, he calls me on the phone. I'm like, babe, what's up? He like, I'm here, what the rack look like. So I'm telling him what the rack look like, and next thing I know, he like, babe, I'm like, what? He like, this old lady looking at your rack. So I'm like, this old lady looking at my rack? What's she looking at my rack for? She don't need that rack more than I need that rack. So I'm like, babe, I need the rack. So is she like looking at it, or is she just looking at it? And he like, babe, she got her hands on it, she holding it up now, she walking, and I'm like, oh my god, like, and he like, what you want me to do? I can't just push her out the way. Y'all, push her out the way and get my rack. I'm just playing. No, don't push her out the way, because it was an old lady. But still, I wanted the rack because it was only $8. So I'm waiting. I'm like, did she get the rack? He like,
Oh man, you gonna be so mad.
I'm like, why am I gonna be mad? He like, this girl came and she got your rack. And I'm like, so how to go from the old lady to the girl having my rack? And he was like, babe, she just walked and she
Push the old lady out the way.
I'm like, she pushed the old lady out the way. Maybe we should have pushed her out the way. Then we could have had my rack. I'm just like, no. We don't get down like that. We wouldn't do that. But y'all, I was heated. The girl ended up buying a rack, and he on the phone with me talking about something. And she looked like she do YouTube. She looked like, and why you telling me that this girl do YouTube? Because now I'm really heated. I'm like, don't rub it in. So whatever, y'all. But that $8 rack, I missed out on that $8 rack. So, you know, he was just like, babe, I'm sorry, you know what you want me to do. I went right to the store to get that rack for you. So I'm like, all right, man. He like, I'll just buy you another one. So look it up online, see if you can find one. So I looked up online, and I seen, what do you know, this, the garment rack. And it was in stock at Walmart. It wasn't the same. This is the whole different. I don't know if you can see it, but this is it. Voila. This is the Mainstays rack. Mainstays rack. So I brought this because I'm gonna be doing like major hauls. So if you're not subscribed, you need to hit that subscribe. I don't know what you're doing. Don't be shy and subscribe. You know how I go, okay? If you want to be a glam slayer, glam doll, subscribe to my channel, because you know I'm back and I'm here now, y'all. I know y'all miss me. Let me stop. But yeah, I'm gonna be just like doing major hauls, like at Goodwill, maybe thrifting. I'm gonna come with some Forever 21 hauls, Route 21 hauls. So as you can see, my handwriting not neat, but I don't know if y'all can see that, but that says Goodwill. It's speech is all messed up today, but this is gonna be my Goodwill haul. So I'm having some good finds, y'all. I'll be up there like just all happy and stuff. I'm like, oh, this $2, this $2, this is coming with me. So yeah, anyways, Goodwill haul coming soon. That's gonna be my next video. Yeah, but anyways, back to the garment rack. I'm just so happy, y'all. I don't know what to do. I don't know what I'm doing, but y'all always figure it out. So we're gonna figure it out. Like I said, don't be shy, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be subscribed whenever I do a new video. I just want to say thank you so much for the support. Even if you're not supporting, you still supporting, and if you want to dislike, that's still support too, because that's support. I'd rather you like or whatever you're gonna do. So yeah, keep on watching.
I was so confused, you guys. It was not as easy as I thought it was going to be, but at least my daughter was there to help me.
3 weeks later, many months later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they
Okay, so here's my rack, and voila. I wanted to record me putting the rack together, but it was some technical difficulties. A lot of technical difficulties. I didn't know what I was doing.
Thanks for watching this video, and if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe because I'm going to be doing more hauls.
And I'm going to be doing more videos with this little cutie pie. Say hey. Say hey. Say bye. Alright. She didn't want to say nothing. But I'm going to be doing more videos. So yeah, I got some Forever 21 hauls coming up. I got a Shein haul coming up, and I can't wait. Oh, she want to pick her up. Alright, anyways, I got a Shein haul, and I can't wait to do that. So just stay. She got into my bad stuff. Cut. Anyways, I got a Shein haul coming up. I got a Forever 21 haul coming up. A Goodwill haul. So hauls. All the hauls. If you're looking for hauls, just come to me. Say come to me. Come to me. Come to me. But yeah, thank you for supporting me, and bye. 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 Bye.
There's some whores in this house.